In 2005, in a quiet Ethiopian village, a young girl's life changed forever.
Only 12 years old, she was returning home from school.
But on that road, kidnappers were waiting to sell her as a bride.
For 7 long days, she was held captive.
Fear, her only companion.
But the police hunt closed in. The kidnappers fled deeper into the wild.
The kings of the savannah arrived. And the hunters became the hunted.
They drove the men away, then stayed by her side. Not predators, but protectors. By morning, rescuers arrived.
They were guarding her. And when they saw us coming,
They silently moved away. Her nightmare was over. A child stolen, now restored. And the guardians vanished into legend. In the wild lands of Ethiopia, a miracle was written by lions.